Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Revit architecture. I am architect Sonurai from Glad Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to discuss with you selection tool in Revit. So if you'll go to the definition of this selection tool, you can find this tool in the modify tab and you can look at this symbol. This is the selection tool, and the basic function is that as soon as you have one or more elements selected within Revit, you can use this button to create an automatic section box. So suppose if you are working in your project and you want to show your some interior furniture sectional view, can use this selection tool and to view that particular view, and you can save this and you can take print of that particular view and you can show to your client. So this is the basic function of selection tool. So let's begin. I'm going to my Revit project here, and this is a residential interior plan, and I'm going to middle line view. This is the level 1, and I want to show this whole area of furnitures, this sectional view, and I will go and click anywhere with the left mouse click and I will drag towards right and I will select all these furnitures here, and you can see this all furniture is selected. And now we will go to architecture here, and then I will go to modify and I will select this selection box. You can see the definition, it isolates selected elements in the current view. So as soon as you will select this selection box, you can view the sectional view of this particular selected furnitures, and you can see this selection box is all around that. You can further edit this selection box. You can bring it because roof is there. I'm bringing downwards here, and you can see this sectional view of this furniture. So this is very helpful, this selection tool, and you can view your interior progress here. And if you'll increase this, you can view further parts of this building. So you can see, you can edit this selection tool also, and it will move here. You can view some bedroom parts here. So this is also very handy, like section box, and you can take the top view also, you can take the 3D view also. And unlike the section box in which you can work only in 3D view, you can work in floor plan view by using selection tool. And if you want to save this 3D view, you can rename this default 3D view, and you can rename this as a sectional view and make it 1. And if you want to go to your default 3D view, you can go to your home tab here and you can select this default 3D view, and you can view this here. This is the default 3D view. So likewise, you can save this your sectional view by renaming your default 3D view. So this is the tutorial about selection tool. In the next video tutorial, I will teach you about a scope box in Revit. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.